Dell, the man, the myth, the legend. What's going on? Another big day. Another big day, Dell. What's happening? Let's do it. Very nice, Dell. Up 600 on 25K. That's good. Yeah, you're almost halfway there. I gotta shut my heat off. You have me streaming inside Discord, huh? You won an account today? Hey, John Walk, what's happening? Monica. Any lockouts on 1,000 points down? Don't know. That's usually with Top Step, right? Yeah, I'm gonna trade these Apex accounts, so there's nothing there, Monica. But that is a good point. Actually, wasn't thinking about that. Yeah, crazy. So if anything, Top Step has that rule. Not really sure. Good point, Monica. Thank you. Hey, what's going on? Vacation was great. Yep. Thank you for asking. Had a fun time. $700 points down in 5 minutes. Crazy, huh? Wild. I wasn't watching the markets. I was away in town, but yeah, I heard about it. Keegan, wood chip. Looking a bit tanner. A little bit of sun, thank you. Yeah, I need a little more. Kevin H, what's going on? Yeah, this is gonna be crazy. Eval only tonight, guys. Usually I trade evals. I did pick up some Apex accounts and evals. So yeah. Picked them up with that 90% off sale that was going on earlier. If you guys caught my stream, they were doing 90% off on someone's channel. I forgot already. Doesn't matter. It's not important because you guys are here. Marco. Jay, what's going on? John Walk. The market is open and it's frozen, guys. Okay. There it is. Alright, just came on. Alright, so we had a big data delay. Trade of 8. Little scary, guys. This is not financial advice. I would not be trading in funded accounts at the moment. It could lock up on you, so just FYI. Do you, but wow, crazy. Here we go, guys. This is what we dream of, right? I'm just gonna recap what I did today. So if you guys caught my stream this morning, we were down. I hit DLL on the Buellanox accounts. I ended up finally getting paid out on Take Profit Trader. So I took this 25K account up to 27,710. So a nice payout on that. I did not reset it. I ended up taking a big payout yesterday of like 3,400 bucks. So another nice payout coming tonight on my personal account. Big day. Show you here. Pull it up here. This candle, I had this in 50s. So yeah, here's today's posted on Discord. $10,100 I made on the personal today. So 2 days in a row, I've had 5-figure days. So pretty happy about that. Market does not like tariffs. Uh, 120 point candle, Monica. Yeah, crazy. Yep, crazy. Just gonna sit on my hands for a bit. I am sitting in cash on my investment account. I've been sitting in cash for 3 weeks. Which makes me kind of happy. Limit down, Dawn. Yeah, Brandon. Triple meat and guac day, huh? Another vacation day. No, I'm not, Yo Jim. I'm just still trading. You know, trading the way I am. You know, $5,000 daily loss limit, personal, and I'm trading 5 lots, $100 a point. That's what I've been doing. This is wild. Look at the spreads on this. I don't want to be trading that account. Not till I take that payout tonight. What did John post here? Oh, circuit breaker. Yeah, John just posted something, circuit breakers for the S&P 500. If you guys are interested in that. On 7%, 13%, and 20% declines. TJP, what's happening? Yo, yo. So, from what I understand, this might be some, we do have circuit breaker percentages we can't be close to with some firms, which you guys knew. FYI, and overnight circuit breakers are different compared to the New York hours. So, I'm not touching the funded account right now. I'm just going to trade these Apex evaluations for now. Yo, Fred, what's up? All right, 18,900. Let's take a look at the daily. Ooh, not looking good. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Yeah. You just buy here and put a bracket and probably get filled 20 points. Just from the volatility. I might have done that before on the eval. Once or twice. Certain props, yes, Keegan, exactly. 5% drops, 7% drops. They're all different, that's the problem. Like, a lot of them have different rules. The only ones that I actually know is like Top Step has a limit down rule. Maybe Tradeify. Maybe Take Profit Trader. I don't know. It's so rare. It's so rare that I just don't remember. But there is certain props, yeah. Coach Fred, yeah, I threw everything in the laundry. Unpack, yeah. That's about it. Oh, appreciate it, Kevin. Appreciate you. Thank you for using my code on Bulenox. Code Pine. Appreciate that. Trust the micro, 1 minute. Yeah, limit down on S&P is 5%, 7%. The John up in the chat just posted something. I'm gonna pin it. All right, so I pinned the John's chat, or John's chat up in the top there. That's the NASDAQ. It's got limit down rules for circuit breakers for the actual market. So yeah, that's what I heard, Keegan, is that it's different for, you know, New York versus the overnight, so. Yeah, playing games. I know the spread's crazy. Thanks, full-time trader. Record 2 days in a row, huh? Honest take, what's happening, buddy? This market's wild today. It makes me want to degen these evals, but I know it's just silly and just gambling, so if it makes me want to click the button. Because I think we could pass some evals, some scalps here, just by using the volatility, you know, no stops, just looking for take profits. Just because it's going up and down like 30 points. But I'll be a good boy. For the stream, I'll be a good boy. These evals only cost me 16 bucks today, so, which was nice. Yeah, let's look at another market here. Let's look at YM. YM seems to be much cleaner. Gold. Yeah, wow, gold really dropped too. That was quite the drop on gold. Wow, that's a big candle. Crazy. ES. You're down to 55.08. Nice pump up here. Jeez, bro, that's so big. These are in 20s. We're in 10s here. 45 points just whipping around there. Jonah, it was a flash sale that they had earlier today. I wish they were running 90% off, but yeah, it was just a flash sale. We're going to see 18,100 tonight after NTD opens. Yeah, you could be right. You could start to see 17,000s. Yeah, it does not like tariffs, apparently. I guess. I don't know. I wasn't paying attention to the news, but I knew it was tariff top. Record day in the PA accounts, personal accounts, but if you include past evals, I have higher course evals are meaningless. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it'll become static, yeah. How much was the gap? Approximately, not that big. 65 points, Amelia, is what I got, approximately. But obviously, you know, it's just from that news candle. What do we got? 1,100 points from that top of that news candle. Wild. It was almost below 19,000 when I turned it off earlier. Right, yeah. I wasn't watching it. I was just, someone told me that I was on the road. Someone told me that what the market was doing. I got this 5-minute chart in grids of 100 points, and it kind of looks normal. That's how crazy the market is. These 100-point grids. If I go to 10s like I normally have it, I can barely fit it on the screen. One micro long wood chip, Black Wednesday, Thursday design. Yeah, for sure, black, yeah. BTFD went appropriate. I almost blew it, funded Buell Knox, Keysun, shorting 3 micros at 19,900 DCA and added 9 micros, 991. And the market went over 20,400, almost blew my account. Got it out for a small profit when it jumped to 950s. Oh, wow. Amelia, my grids are all weird looking. Yeah, mine too. Yeah, that's crazy. No, Coach Fred. No, Coach Fred. That's living in Maine, man. Living in Maine. No, untouched. My car was just sitting there in the parking lot. This little tiny parking lot. Through 2 snowstorms and whatever, a week. They had to plow around it and everything. They just left it. So yeah, no, thankfully, thanks. I got my car back. I'm back to green, so stupid to trade right now. If I held 12 micros, I'd be up almost 20K on the Bulanox account. Wow. 50.870 stop, nice. 149 Dell, I believe. Maybe 140, something like that. Around 140 bucks. Nicholas, this is my biggest profit in a single day tonight. Oh, nice, Nicholas. You wild trading this stuff. Oh, you're in gold? Okay. Yeah, that's right, you trade gold. That's probably a little cleaner. See you all on the bread and potato line this weekend? Yeah, for sure. Doing the Ric Flair, the woo! Yeah, nice. We are coming down, 862. I am sitting on my hands right now, even on this eval. Cheryl, it's usually around 8 p.m. Eastern time. 8 p.m. Eastern time, usually. Nice, Nicholas. You know what? Same thing yesterday, Nicholas. Made 5 figures yesterday. On my personal account. A little over 10,000. And I did it again today. So you know what? You're gonna do it again tomorrow. We'll make 5-figure days just regular. Right? They're just gonna become normal. The big boys do it, we can too. Congratulations, Nicholas. Give a smash the confetti for Nicholas. Made his first 5-figure day today trading futures, so pretty awesome. Drifter, what's going on? I am sitting on my hands currently, watching this market for the last 20 minutes. You're sure? What chip? You're just having too much fun here. I mean, this is an eval. But where could we go? Let's look at the 15-minute. Let's look at an hourly, actually. It's funny I had this level marked out for some reason from way back, and look at that. Look at that wick up, touched it, dropped right back down. I don't even remember what I had that level marked out from. Okay, so we are in no man's land. I'd have to go to @NQ or something to look. The weekly chart looks oddly normal. Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure trades by Slade. I'm not gonna I'm not touching this funded right now. Nothing funded in this. Yeah, I don't blame you. It's very tempting to hop in this. Something. Yeah, you guys are just tuning in. I'm gonna eval only. I only paid $16 for this eval today on a flash sale, the Apex flash sale. So it is what it is. I ended up picking up 8 of them today on the flash sale. This is wild. Coming down 833 right now. Boy. The market's down, what, over 4% since the news flash candle. I should see continuation for now. I mean, there's no reason for a bounce. I mean, you'll get a bounce and it'll seem like a nasty, it'll be a huge candle bounce, but like, what level are we looking to buy, you know? It's kind of what I'm questioning. If I look at the triple Qs, so back on September 6th is a pretty strong level on the triple Qs of 450. I'll bring it over here. So you have the triple Qs here, the daily chart, and we have a pretty strong level here at 448, 450, pretty strong. And then I don't know. I mean, the next support I guess would be 434s, something like that on the daily chart. But if we look at the, let's look at the moving averages. So you can clearly see we're below the 200 moving average. So is the 9, and we have the 50. It looks like it wants to cross the 9. That's very bearish when it does that. You can see back in 2022 we did that, and yeah, it just continued to float down the rest of the year, basically. And it appears like it wants to do that now. We have the 9 and everything just pushing down below the 200 moving average and the 50, and this is on the triple Qs. So yeah, a little wild, but intraday we'll trade it, right? We'll see, we see longs, we see shorts, we'll take them, you know, we'll take them for 30, 40, 50 points, 100 points. Don't really care what's happening long term so much. Let me get back to the chat, guys. You guys are fired up today. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Stick a fork in there. She done design. Never can drop like this. Could be a black swan event. Yeah, definitely. This is pretty wild. I can't remember the last time I saw a big drop like this, but it does happen for sure. How many points? Well, it'd be over 100 points, Donna. Over 100 points. 5 contracts on the personal account. So tempted to buy the dip. It's going to be 9%, you think, wood chip? Maybe 100 point bounces in Asia tonight. Oh, for now. Scalping 2 micros in like $100 in a few seconds seems like it would be about 20 bucks. All the candles twitching, and you're twitching too, yo, Jim. Yeah. Gold looks like a potential short. Look at that bounce, that rejection off the VWAP. Let's take a look at gold here. Yeah, potentially, yeah. Maybe a little flag pattern action. Don't know. This kind of looks like one of my Harami setups, but it's just very, very large stops here. I'm gonna set up a bracket here, do a 30-60. Big rejection off the VWAP. Nice to see the VWAP still working. Oh no. Sorry, Fred. Just burned a PA thinking that you were in micros. Ouch. Afternoon highs and lows was almost 1,000 points. Yeah, exactly. From the top of that candle from earlier. Yeah, so we can go off the top. Yeah, that's the top. We got 1,216 points. Wild. Absolutely crazy. Alright. I am going to play around with this eval here. And take a long. And the market froze. Just looking for this little Rami setup. Just looking to take out the high of this previous candle here. This is an eval only too. On a big dog, 250K. By no means do I think this is a V bottom or anything. This is just, I'm looking just to try to catch up with the price action, just the up and down. Just a matter of seconds, it's 400 bucks. Still rejecting off the VWAP there. Got to break through the VWAP. Because you're up 20 points there in the blink of an eye. I'd love to see it do it in this candle. I think it's going to. There we go. Just want to see. Take that out. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna take it off there for 516 bucks. I did take it on the personal too. Only a one lot though, not 5. Just the one lot on the personal, 720. Right there. So that puts us up $10,820 in the last 24 hours. And almost 21 grand in the last 48 hours on the personal, so pretty stoked about that. Phew, that was a little clenchy. Let's see if it takes out a take profit, because this is one of our normal setups, but it's just a little scary. There it is. We were gonna take profit right there fully. So yeah, no 5 lots tonight, guys. On the personal, no 5 lots. Hey, what's going on, Futures Floor? What's happening, buddy? I was hanging with Futures Floor on his YouTube channel when I was in Vegas, up in the hotel room. I think it was Sunday night? Yeah, Sunday night. 60-point gap on the 5 second. I don't know if there's seen one like that. Big small filled right away. Interesting that Trump spoke right at the end, regular hours, as if he was setting up for futures traders to go crazy. Yeah. Looks like gold might go to 31,027. The only thing I can do is catch a falling knife. I'd have to be so nimble. There's that. I have to be so nimble. There's few that can trade this. Yeah. I was trading the regular setup. I had the stop in place. It was a 30-point stop. I got a little scared. I was looking for that. Well, right here where it is, like 829, 828, something, the high of this candle. But yeah, kept bouncing off that VWAP there. I paper handed it just slightly. Not bad. First trade. 516 on the Apex eval, and 720 on the personal. So it did pay for the hotel room. After I got frustrated trying to play roulette in the casino, I got frustrated. So then I came right back to the hotel room, popped on Futures Floor TV, and started trading. Was hanging with Woodchip and Futures Floor TV, and yeah, made some money back. Losing 600 on the roulette table in blackjack didn't seem as bad once I started trading the NQ. Caught 53 points in NQ, skydive earlier than 4 contracts. Oh, nice, Rick Show. Ebb and flow, scale, and micros. Yeah, for sure. It's not a bad idea, Brian, actually. Little stock tiger trading, kind of scaling in. But let's just look at the spreads, though. I mean, we got 6-7 points. But like I said, you know, if you're a full degen, you're trying to pass evals, like you can almost just click the button with the take profit when it's whipping around like that. So say it's whipping around 10-15 points, like up and down, up and down, up and down, like it was doing earlier. So you can almost just set. I don't recommend it. I'm just saying that you can almost just put a take profit type bracket on an eval or something, and you'll hit it. Just saying. 15 second chart. Okay. How do I do it? Seconds. Coach Fred's gonna get us all dizzy here. So this is a 15-second chart. He just blew 100K combine, nasty moves. Oh, yeah, Alfred. Oh, I'm glad it's just a combine, but yeah, that still sucks. Yeah, for sure. You trade this too, Nate? 15-second time frame. Nice little scalps off the inside bars on the 15-second. I look at the 1 minute chart with the methodical man strat, the 9 crossing the 50, the 21, and the 9 crossover. I'll look at that sometimes. But yeah, boy, I have a tough time looking at stuff like this. It's too, like, a lot of my trades are based on discretion, and I know it's not the best thing, especially when you're feeling out of pocket on the day. But like when I'm watching the 5 minute chart, sometimes I get a real feel for the candle, like, hey, this is gonna take out the low, like this feels real heavy, things like that, and I'll just mark it in. Sometimes, you know, with proper stop or whatever. But yeah, when I start watching charts like this, I just get, I don't know, it's kind of crazy. 110 people watching me tonight, guys. Holy. Guys, do me a favor. Just take a second and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithms. Got 23 likes, 110 people watching. Smash that like button for me, please. It just really helps the YouTube algos. All right, I'm going back to the five minute because I'm getting dizzy. Yeah, that's very interesting, guys. I would, I'll take a look at it some other time or whatever. But yeah, that's interesting. I like to, I like this. This is for the old guys. Getting back in the twitchy zone. know what I mean about the 5 movement? Been noticing it on the 15-2 lately, yeah. Thanks, Futures Floor. Futures Floor, smash the like button. Yeah, I've watched the 3-minute before, Brian. Yeah, I've watched the 3-minute. I've tried. Occasionally, I'll mess around with the 3-minute, 2-minute, things like that. Just what usually happens is like we'll get a flag set up or something, and on a nice flag set up on the 5-minute, like very clean, and then all of a sudden I'll just kind of do that just to look to see how defined the flag setup is, you know. Sometimes I'll look at that, but not regularly. I just kind of play around with it. No, this is my bread and butter. Just looking at this boring old 5-minute chart. It is tough, you know, when you're trading good size. Like, you know, your stops and stuff have to be pretty wide, so it's a little bit tougher for sure. I'm just so used to it because when I first started trading, it was with TPO charts. That's when I first started trading. That's everything I learned was with TPO charts at first, which is basically 30-minute candles. And then, like, through Al Brooks and stuff and Trader Tom and things like that, I was just like, I just switched to the 5-minute, and then I never, you know, looked back. And I ended up, you know, occasionally, like I said, I'll look at the 1-minute first. That's this particular strat, you know, the 9 touch, the crossover touch. But yeah. And occasionally, you know, I'll just take a peek at the higher time frames, the 15-minute, the hourly. All right, coming back down to the VWAP. Did we try a VWAP touch? Try it. All right, we're in. Eval only. Looking for the VWAP bounce here. This could get ugly. This is more just a below the VWAP now. Like I said, this is an eval only. This is a $16 eval. Full degeneracy right here. Alright, we're getting that bounce there. Not looking for the full take profit here. But we might leave it, I don't know. Pretty nasty wick. I think if it moves 20 points or so, I'll move the stop to break even. But right now I don't want to move the stop because I think just with the spread I could get taken out for basically no reason. There was a flash sale war earlier today. If you were watching my stream, I announced a flash sale for 90% off on Apex. My morning stream. So yeah. This is all we're gonna get. Kind of counter trending, you know, too, which makes me a little nervous. See money, take money. Yeah, me either, Fred. I don't know where he is. Yeah, I haven't seen Tiger. Might have missed some of you guys in chat. Sorry about that. Tommy Stark. I always say Tony Stark. Sorry. The new Top Step dashboard is awesome. You can activate a combine as soon as you pass. I started a new combine an hour before it closed and it already passed. That is awesome, Tommy. I can't wait to get it myself. money. On the downside, 16 from one bit. Think we're gonna roll over and keep selling, yeah. But yeah, we are counter trend for sure. I'm just looking for the VWAP bounce here. Right now, we're popping off that VWAP. I got to take profit up there 60 points. Seems like we could get there pretty quick, but I don't know, just really struggling, which I don't love. We'll be a little patient here. We're up about 15, 20 points at one point. This is nasty. Might flatten this. Yeah, I'm gonna flatten that, break even. It's taking too long. We got a pretty good reaction off it initially. I didn't take profit. Yeah, about 30 points. And then it just kind of stalled out there, so I'm just gonna flatten right now and regroup. And there's the dip there, so yeah, good little call there, a little discretion call. Pushing down now below the VWAP. So if you guys are just tuning in, 121, we're up 523 on this eval, we're up 720 on the personal. $10,820 in the last 24 hours on the personal. And my second 5-figure day on the personal in a row, which is amazing to me. This is not typical, but I'm hoping to make it typical. I've been trading 5 lots on the personal. It's $100 a point. So we snagged about 100 points today. Kisan, so it's linked to some of my investments. This is why I traded on E-Trade. Not the smartest thing to do probably, but that's what I do personally. So yeah. It's enough to pay, it's enough to trade 5 lots. In market profile, you would only be looking for shorts right now. Flags to gap fill attempts. Good call, reset. Sup. Hey Ray, what's going on? Hey, thanks Alfred. What's going on, man? Eddie, what's happening? Nasty bear flag. Yeah. We are chopping that VWAP now, so that can get nasty when it chops the VWAP. Well, I've lost a lot of money getting caught in the VWAP chop before. Oh, you won Jay's giveaway, Vince? Nice. I won on Jay's once too. So I've never won on Alpines. I've never won on Methodical Man's, but I did win on Husk Trader's channel. I've won on Cove Trader twice. And I've won... yeah, I've won once on Jay's too. Yeah, so my trick, alright, so my trick on the 25Ks, Eddie, is, yeah, I got a nice payout today too, coming on Take Profit Trader, so, I don't really know how much, but I'm up to 27,710 on that. So my trick, here's the #1 trick. I squash the trailing drawdown as fast as I can. That's the trick. That's what I do psychologically. Not for everyone, but that's what I do. So I trade minis. Yesterday I did reset the account for 450, but I ended up making 3,400, so like $3,000 profit. And today I did not reset an account. That was the account from yesterday. So, but yeah, I think the biggest hurdle was just squashing that trailing drawdown as fast as I could. So I started with 1 mini, and I'll trade up to 3 minis on that 25K. I'll add to that winner and just push it. And the other thing is, like, I don't settle for, personally, it's like I don't settle for that few $100s on the day or something. Like, if I'm up on the day, it's easier to me to build on that account when it's green than when it's red. If that makes sense. You know what? Look at this, guys. The VWAP is all messed up. Take a look at this. See the VWAP here? Take profit trader. I got it at 945. 911 on Apex. Kind of crazy. Helicopter Tech. Oh, I think we had a sub. Hey, Lucky Yang, what's happening? Thank you for the sub, guys. Over 900 subs. Gonna be to 1,000 pretty soon, I hope. Probably by the end of the month, right? You have 911 on TradingView. Let me refresh. Let me refresh this. Yep. It just moved back down to 911. I refreshed. So yeah. That's a little scary. Does that. Yeah, Eddie, right. Yeah, and you know, the thing is like I'm really trying to focus on my winning days as opposed to trades themselves. So I'm really trying to make my winning days much larger than my losing days. So, you know, that's kind of that's been like my mentality lately, even on my personal account. You know, so. Hey, Red, thank you for the sub. 60-hour trader. Hey, Pine. Always see you around, but tonight you popped into my feed. All right, 60-hour trader. Yeah, I try not to poach on anyone's streams. You know, if someone says something, then I'm grateful, but I don't poach. I try not to poach. I try not to say like, hey, come check out my stream, you know, or anything like that. But yeah, I'm always hanging out with other people. Appreciate the sub, Red. Yeah, let's get it up to, if you guys haven't subbed already, sub. Smash the like button. 124 people watching, 47 likes. We can get those numbers up, so that way more people can find me on their feed, like 60-hour trader. Appreciate the sub, 60-hour trader. Simon Kakimbo, thank you for the sub. This guy sucks. Check his stream out. That's right. We full send evals here. DGen. If you guys watched my stream this morning, that was some pretty poor trading. So that was pretty bad. But we finished nice and green today. By the end of the day, we finished nice. I just spit all over my computer. Thank you. Yeah, smash the like button. Put me in number 1. You always have my body. How come there are no trolls here? Not yet. Give it time. Woodchip, give it time. That's why I have Amelia around. Amelia gets rid of the trolls. She has no tolerance for trolls. You have found that on Trade-Evade the VWAP will change if you zoom in and out sometimes? Huh, that's interesting. Yeah, I haven't really had that problem. I use the VWAP, CE VWAP on the community indicators. That's the one I've used. That's the one I've always used. But so yeah, we're getting that push up. We kind of paper-handed that long once we dropped down. But I mean, this was a pretty big drop. So would we have gotten stopped out? Ooh, we had a 30-point stop, so very close. And now it's kind of doing what we thought off that VWAP, but hey, it is what it is. It's going without us now. It's going without us, but nice pop there. Do I trade ES? No, not really. Sometimes. Yeah, more views. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, you were long and kept pulling back. Yeah, I know. It's kind of like that's what I just did. I paper-handed it. I mean, 28 point. You kind of right about the trade, but then in 28-point pullback, you know, it's like, ouch. So perhaps catch a trend like this, best to maybe just wait for a prior bar low to buy up for an entry on a downtrend or whatever. But yeah, nice moves tonight in the overnight. This is what we want. We want some nice moves. We don't want boring sideways markets. So thanks, Nate. All right, so 940s now. Still, the spread is super wide. That's what she said, right? 950s. I like you too much, Woodchip. You're one of my OGs. So you can troll me all you want. I like it. I think it's funny. Woodchip tells me he's fading me and everything else, and I just laugh. Nah, it's all good. I like Woodchip. Woodchip's one of the OGs. He's been here since the beginning. Some of you guys have been. Woodchip's he's a scalper for sure. He's a scalper. Alright. What are we doing here? Are we pulling back the VWAP here? We're just gonna continue this little punch up through, maybe look to fill the gap up here. Kinda nasty. Not one inside bar at all tonight so far. These inside bars held. See how good the inside bars work today. Wow. What was it, Fred? I think you were talking about that earlier, how this looks like a Renko chart. It really does. Today's action, I mean, look at that. It's crazy. Oh, you look at 40, 50 points? Okay, yeah. Well, that's good. Maybe I just think so because you're like always in a trade. You're always in a trade. How many trades do you take a day, wood chip? Like, what's your average? Like, how many trades? If you want to say. I know it's over like 20. I know it's over 20. How much could a wood chip if wood chip could wood chip wood? Depends on the day, yeah. Same. Some day, yeah, same with chip. Like some days I'll have a really good day, and then you know I may make 5 trades a day or something, 6 trades, but maybe 40 a day. That's not that bad. I expected more actually. One reason I like watching other traders that don't trade crypto is that you don't get a crazy XRP army here. The thing I don't know how to use that block button. Oh, for sure, Cheryl. Yeah. No, knock on wood, we haven't got any the robot spam chat thing yet, thankfully. Alright, do you guys think we fill this gap up here? Do you guys think we push up and fill it? It's about 100 points away. Probably help hold it till London. Maybe. Alright, pulling back to the VWAP now. Maybe 40, I can't capture 40 points holding 10, 20 minutes under normal circumstances. No, you can't in Asia. Maybe a little flag on the 1 minute, need Trump to say something. Hush, Cheryl. Yeah, it is crazy. What was it earlier? Just a Tesla tweet earlier today. We ended up getting a nasty, jeez, it looks so small. Nasty spike thing. I believe it was on, it was either here, 11 o'clock. Yeah, I think it was this. It's got a big nasty spike down and then just rocketed up and never looked back. And that was, I believe, on some sort of Tesla news tweet, something about Dogecoin or something. I don't even know, but anyways, sent to market. Might try a short here. I'm gonna try a short here. That's a 30-point stop, and it looks like it's right on top of it. Might actually, this is a bigger account. I'm gonna move this stop loss up to 952s. It might even scale in a bit on this bigger evaluation account. See if we can get the continuation down. Kind of broke this. Channel here. You see? So entry was not that great, but so I might DCA a little bit on this eval. Yeah, that Tesla tweet was weird. Yeah, Keegan, yeah. The news was already out, but the tweet sent it flying. Very interesting, yeah. It's like the, like it says algorithms and retail traders just like linked to that Twitter, which I'm sure there is. I'm sure someone's got programmed in for certain words or whatever for Tesla, Nvidia, Donald Trump, you know, all those tweets. I'm sure they got it programmed in. All right, getting a little bit of push down there. Trail my stop here. All right, stopped out. So up 895 on this eval. See if we get a little bounce here at the 80s. You're gonna go trolling other streams. Yeah, come back though, Woodchip. Come back. Does Woodchip trade ICT concepts? Yeah, I think he does. Yep. Yep. Hey, you got some sushi, Amelia? I've never had sushi. I don't like fish, but I know that they have different sushi that's not fish, I guess, or I don't know. Very nice, Amelia. You gotta treat yourself though. Yeah, Woodchip for sure. Yeah, that's what I like. That's what I like about you. There's many ways to make money in this market, you know, that's for sure. Yeah, trades is when it's whenever it updates on the dashboard, it'll. If you just got 5 days in on today, then you have to wait for the dashboard to update again. I believe, unless it's changed. But congratulations on passing that eval and take profit trader, get those daily payouts, Slade. Daily payouts. Oh, okay. So, yeah, I think you're on the East Coast too with me. So in my dashboard, that hasn't updated it until like it usually updates around 10 p.m. Eastern time for the payouts and things. You probably blow it on your first trade. No. No. You got this. Yeah, MM says that next time I go to Vegas or want to go to Vegas, just hit him up. Dude, if I go to Vegas with Methodical Man, then yeah, we're definitely gonna. We'll be in Jay's pool. You'll see me and Methodical Man hanging out in Jay's pool. Slade can come out too. Slade can come out, hang out in Vegas with pool party at Jay's. Currently, Eddie, I'm trading Tradeify, Apex, Bulanox, Take Profit Trader, and Top Step. Right? Yeah. And Darrell will be in the pool, that's right. Yeah, Darrell will be there. Yeah, the next time I go, I'm definitely gonna hook up with Jay because it was kind of last minute, and he had a. I really wanted to hook up. I actually wasn't lying. I actually had plans I know he's been trolling me and making fun of me and stuff, and it's all fun and games. And yeah, I got a good kick out of it today. But yeah, Jay did reach out to me and invited me to dinner, which I thought was super awesome, super nice. Because 0 Day is just that type of guy, you know, I think. So, but yeah, I actually had some plans, and then his son had soccer tournaments all one day that I was kind of free, so it just didn't really work out. But next time I go, I'm gonna say, hey Jay, I'm coming these dates. Let's go get a slice of pizza or go out to eat or something. Because he did invite me to a restaurant, which I found super nice. But he said I stood him up. I'm a tough catch, Jay. I'm hard to get. Yeah, hot tub time machine? Yeah, for sure. Alright, we're getting that push down now. Ace 50s here. Took a little scalp there. Pushing back up to the VWAP. Do we get the continuation down? You know? We take out the lows here, 819. We try a little VWAP rejection here. Let's try it for the stream on this eval only. Ooh. It's a pretty strong candle. Wow. Alright. Got a little lucky there. Got very lucky there. I'm gonna exit out. Lost 150 on that trade. We got very lucky not getting stopped there. Just did a 20-point pop just like that. I was looking just for the rejection of the VWAP there, just for the scalp, but that didn't work. So I got out there, but a little loss from 150. And now it's starting to work, but wow, what a pop there. I mean, that was 20 points in a second. I'm gonna be patient here. This is technically an Arami candle. If we break to that high side, we'd probably pop a few points, but I mean, anytime you're taking a long in this, if you look at the bigger picture here, I mean, this is your counter trending. Obviously, you take longs for little scalps and things, but the big picture, I mean, we are just tanking, pushing down. So, yeah. I think it will be, Tommy. I think it will be. It's just not very clean. The volatility's there. It's just not very clean. I remember a couple weeks ago, we had a wicked volatile night, and it felt like New York, and it was clean. And I stayed up trading until like 1 in the morning that night. Hey JP, what's up? Thank you for the sub. Appreciate you stopping in. Yeah, Carlos, I did take one trade on it. We're up 720, but yeah, I'm not interested in trading this right now. We'll wait till tomorrow. We'll wait till tomorrow. Alright, so we're chopping that VWAP now. This gets a little nasty. Spread is nasty. Bringing me back to my Forex days. Oh, you coming from Forex, JP? Welcome to the stream. Thanks for hanging out. Yeah, the spread has been nasty tonight. We're up 742 right now in this eval. We're up 760, something like that, on the personal. 720 on the personal. I like this little Harami setup. You just got very poor risk to reward. You know, you take the long here, hoping it breaks to 933s, breaks to 950s and continues up towards that gap. It's very well could. But I do like this setup here. But you know, your stop would have to go down here. So I don't know. Don't love it. It's not a cheap trade. That's for sure. I made $200 with 1 micro in the XFA and locked all day. Locked for the day. Yeah, crazy. Wish we could pick a direction off the VWAP. G, yeah. That's the thing. Even during New York session, it when it starts hanging around the VWAP like that and just chops up back and forth, it can get take your money. Same like when I'm watching New York session and it comes up and starts chopping the initial bounce highs and lows, it'll just chop back and forth on it. Boy, that can take your money too. You're like, oh, it's breaking that initial bounce high. Oh, look, it came back to retest it. Oh, nope, it's below it. Oh, it's back up. It's like, oh boy. Oh, it closed below it. And looking, and so you sell short, looking for a continuation back down into the range. Nope, pops back up. Yeah, that can get nasty. And right now we're doing that on the VWAP. It's just massive candles. You know, these candles are still... That's a 100-point candle right there. 90 points. That's about 80 points. So yeah, so I expect some nice volatility tomorrow too. The New York session. This is gonna last probably the rest of the week, if I could guess. Sweating. Slicing dice. Hasn't closed above the 9 EMA yet on the 5-minute. So you watch the 9 EMA on the 5-minute? That's interesting. I know someone else has actually started to watch that on the 5-minute. I do not. I watch it on the 1-minute here. But nothing looks clean on this. See right here. Bounce off the VWAP. Like, do we take the long? Or does it just blast right through, you know? Kind of curious what we do on this inside bar here. I'm probably going to take this without discretion. So, see what happens. Alright, I'm going to short here. Off the inside bar. Boy, it is so whippy though. This is on eval only too, so just keep that in mind. I'm even flat in the, oh, we just froze there. Trader Vade just froze. Kind of looking for a breakdown below this inside bar. Not getting it. We're getting bought up just below it. The market is kind of acting funny. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get stopped out on this. Yeah, definitely got trapped on this one. Might get lucky, but I doubt it. I think we're gonna get stopped out. You watched the 9 on the 5-minute works nicely. Nice. I'm gonna have to check that out sometime. Close above 929 would break the downtrend on the 9 EMA. Trade sinker jacked my trades today. Be careful. Be cautious if you all use it. Thanks, Nate. If anyone uses trade sinker. Slippage is real. It is. It's crazy. Alright, we're still in this trade. Might have got a little lucky there. We'll see. Yeah, you can't have like 10, 15 point stops in this. You'll just get paper cut. Bad, bad, bad. You gotta have wide stops. Come on, push down here. Push. See if we can break below that 880s. Alright, I like our stop. It's not in a bad spot, but we'll see if we get that continuation downward. Yeah, you get stopped out with 50-point stop. I know, Amelia. I got a 30-point stop right now set, and yeah, it almost took us out in like 1 second, but see if we stay below 900 in the VWAP here. Could see some continuation down. That's kind of what I'm hoping. Flush it out. Come on. From the speech top to the current low is 5% on the dot, Ben. Oh, thank you for that. That's actually pretty interesting. Yeah, it's what, 1,200 points or something like that? 1,300 points? Crazy. I don't know, we could see 17,000. You know, we could see 17,000 by the end of the week. Maybe not 17,000 whole, but into the 17,000s. All right, so we're in this momentum short off the inside bar, and it's gone in our favor a little bit, but we were very close to getting stopped out there with a 30-point stop. So feels like it just wants to kind of chop. We'll see. Like around the VWAP. All right, we got the bracket set here. Just gonna let it do its thing. The take profit is kind of just sitting there. Don't really have no reason to have that take profit there. I'm having a little bit of trouble trying to read where to take profits. So, like, what are good zones in this wiki mess? So, just kind of sitting there. But I'm kind of thinking like we could just put it in a higher low type deal. So that's why I kind of have it sitting right there. All right, 15, 20 points in the money here. Alright, let me go to the chat here. Just kind of watching my trade here. Ask me how I know that Amelia 50 point stops. Yeah, crazy. I don't even want to move my stop now. I feel like if I move it, it's just gonna whip me out like that. And I still be right about the trade and then completely just get whipped out in this volatility. So I'm just gonna leave it right there. If it hits it, it hits it. If it doesn't, then bonus. But look at that. New 5-minute ES below VWAP. New 5-minute candle close above 942 to break the downtrend. Speech. Oh yeah, read that. I mean on ES. Oh okay, Ben. Yeah, crazy. 5%. They're going to the lock limits tomorrow. 7% at least. Yeah, possibly. One tick above 5-minute open is a good target sometimes. Thanks, Nate. 5-minute open. Hey Albert Dennis, I got one on Take Profit Trader again tonight, and up over 10,000 in my personal account again tonight. So it's like 20,000, about 25,000 in profit, net profit in 2 days. Not too bad. Take that every day of the week. Yeah, Take Profit Trader. If you guys are interested in Take Profit Trader, you guys can use Terry Trades 100, all caps. No activation fee still, so I believe. Thanks, Albert. Monday I got stopped in 5 seconds, negative 1,000, then it goes my way. Oh. E-Trade, Albert. That's what I'm using right here. E-Trade. Horrible. Don't recommend it. But you see right here. E-Trade. Year to date, 57,895. Add 10,000 to that, so 67,895 for the year. Trading the NQ, baby. That's it. NQ. But yeah, I don't really recommend them as a broker, Albert. The only reason why I do it is because it's linked to my investment accounts and it like offers me leverage and margin. So I can trade, you know, well, I've been trading 5 minis on the personal for the last, what, month? 5 minis. Thanks, Ben. Appreciate that. It's been a long road. I still don't think I've gotten back my personal commission, my personal tuition yet. Actually, I know I haven't. I lost $30,000 on one trade. All right, trade's going our way now. Ooh, we'll take it off. We're not gonna be a dick for a tick there. $1,109 on the C-Val tonight. Basically trading one lot. So a good 50 points there. Yeah, full-time trader. So it does. Right now, I'm currently flat on my investments because of the market drops and stuff. And I was just like, I had a good feeling that we were gonna see this with the tariff talks and stuff. So I went flat like, I don't know, maybe a month or two ago. I went completely in the cash. But yeah, before, what would happen is like even my investments, it would give me, I could be like 100% invested and it would still give me some margin to trade my futures account, if that makes sense. So I could trade a couple minis and things like that. But I don't know if it's 100%. So don't quote me on that. By the way, none of this is financial advice. This is just what I do. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. Use AMP or Trade-Of-8 for best commissions in personal, but only for a small account. There's no way I'd put hundreds of thousands in an AMP account. You need a real back institutions for that. So yeah, I have Design Nub. I also have Iron Beam. That's the one reason I don't trade personal. I don't want to have so much tied up. They would allow margin for 401k and long term. Yeah. With trades, dude. Did I miss something, Sean? Not sure what you mean, Shad Khan. Stop probably be very interested, yeah. Oh, thanks, Nate. Yeah, went flat and now I'm like making money, right? Because I'm flat. Unless I was obviously went short in the inverse ETF, but yeah, I had a lot of JetQ, things like that. They wouldn't allow that trade station. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I wanted an AMP. Nice. Starting to look like a bear flag. Yeah, I'm still right back to that VWAP though. So nice little play there, nice little exit. Basically all that was a break off the inside bar. We had to stop up above here. We got 30 points away, got very lucky. Almost got taken out, and then it continued to move our way. So yeah, just about 20 points on that trade. Now it's just right back at the VWAP chopping. This is still super choppy. You scroll it down a little bit. I mean, you can make a really nice flat top break here, but could start to push the gap there. Guess my Girl Scout cookies are ready. That's the most exciting news. That's almost better news than me making 5 figures today. Knowing my Girl Scouts are ready. My Girl Scout cookies are ready. Sorry, let me rewind that back. The Girl Scout cookies are ready. Jeez, that comment throw me in jail. Sorry about that. We already finished all of the boxes. Nice. Yeah, that's gonna be some nice stress eating. Some of those Girl Scout cookies and some lemonades. Lemonades, my favorite, with some ice cold glass of milk or something. So good. I don't even drink milk that much, but hey, I'll dip me some Oreos or some Girl Scout cookies in some milk and devour those suckers. Perfect trend lines on the lows. Yeah. Sort of, yeah. Nice little trend line there. Much better than the Boy Scout cookies, for sure. Bollinger Bands are getting tight. Lo-fi and chill. Yeah, we kind of got this little bit. We got one here too. Not as good. But yeah, that low end trend line. It's a good call on that. Let's see if we hold it. So far we're holding it. But just basically putting in consolidation chop here. Chop of like 30-40 points both ways, but so yeah, if you guys are just tuning in, 128 people, 62 likes, let's smash that like button for me. See if we can break the like button record, because I think we almost broke our viewing record tonight. It's pretty awesome. I appreciate you guys stopping in, hanging out. $910 subscribers too, almost to 1,000. I think we'll be over 1,000 by, well, probably by the end of the month. If we get over 1,000 subscribers, guys, we're gonna do a nice giveaway. Nice moose race giveaway. If you guys don't know anything about the stream, sometimes we do giveaways, cash giveaways. I don't get account giveaways because I'm not one of the big boys. I don't get free accounts to give away like some of the big guys. So I give away my hard-earned cash because you guys use my code on Bulanox and Tradeify and Apex. So I give you guys cash. Yeah, we'll do a moose race. You know, we get 1,000 subscribers, which is probably going to be maybe by a week or two, I'm thinking. I usually get about 5-6 subscribers a day. Let's check out our like button. So our record like button is 85 likes, guys. That's the record. 85 likes. So we're at 66 now. I think we could push that up through 85. It sounds really silly, but it actually does help the YouTube algorithms and stuff. We are still just chopping this VWAP. We are moving up this trend line channel. Still chopping that VWAP. Moose, yeah, the moose races. A lot of fun. We had that moose race. Next 5-minute open. Alright, 73 likes, guys. Appreciate it. Alright, we're still chopping here. 18,900. If we see a breakdown below this trend line, I think we take out the lows. Or come close to taking out the lows. We get a nice drop here, close below here. You would have to place a pretty wide stop, I'm thinking, but I think we end up fading back down through the 819s. But for now, we just kind of like riding this trend up, this trend line. I mean, we're not going anywhere. It's not like we're going up to the right too much, but we'll get 3 points touch on this trend, so we'll see. Here we go, starting to break down through it there a little bit. Kind of want to see a close. Fortunately, this is a new candle, so this could like flush before close, like pretty good, and then you would have to place a really wide stop. But yeah, get a little bounce there. That's the problem with trend lines. They're not always exact. But yeah, it looks like another trend line buy up there. Oh, Carlos, yeah, that'd be cool. Carlos wants to stream in Spanish. I'm just looking at this 5-minute trend line here. This purple line. I just retraced off the lows up through, and you can see it hit 1, 2, 3, 4 so far. And this one broke through a little bit, but it bounced. So I was just kind of looking at that. I'm not a big trend line person, but occasionally I do use them. They do work. Should you trade gold, Dell? I don't know. Think Nasdaq's too much? I like gold. I like trading. I like gold. I also like YM. I also trade YM a lot, guys. You see me on the morning streams trading YM quite a bit. But mainly my babies are NQ and YM. But mainly NQ. I'm an NQ addict. Yeah, Carlos, do it, man. Go for it. So I just use Streamlabs, Carlos. It's free. It's simple. I've watched a whole weekend of videos and stuff trying to get it set up, and I'm by no means an expert, but so yeah, I just use Streamlabs, and then basically it looks like this. See, there's me. And there's the chat, and then these are the mixers, things like that. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. Once you get it set up, then it becomes automatic. So this breaking that trend line here, pretty interesting. Boy, where do you place a stop though? 30 points maybe. Let's try it. 30-point stop. A little scary. We're just gonna try to go for momentum down. Could just be whippy here between the 890s and 870s, but it is breaking this downward trend, so this is what we're going on for the stream. Something to do for Asia, Adele? Yeah. NQ and YM remains. Your main squeezes. Hey Dan, what's happening, buddy? Oh, you taking a cruise? Where you going on your cruise? Maybe you told me, I forgot. And who you going with? Because I've been looking a little bit on those. Alright, here we go. We're getting a little continuation here. I got in a little late. I really wanted to wait for some confirmation, but we do have a new 15-minute candle opening up, which is a little scary. Lights keep flickering. Mexico, Cabo, Mazatlan, and PV. Nice, Dan. Where you jumping on? You jumping on in Florida? Down in Tampa or something? Just curious. I mean, you don't have to say if you don't want to. You're sounding his best friend? That's awesome, man. What a great experience. That's great. LA, oh nice. 5-hour drive. This is where the party's at, Woodchip. We're short, Woodchip. I think we take out this wick here. The lasers and the fog machines, I know. Boy, you go to Vegas and there's just music pumping 24/7. At the Resort World Hotel I was staying at, the pool opens up at 8 a.m. and people were partying 8 a.m. just wasted. All right, we're getting that pushed down now. Nice 20 points here. And take out that wick. There we go. So, good 20 points. So that puts us up $1,506 on this account. Could get continuation. Could come down and take out the lows. Good. But yeah, they were partying. I had one of the top floors, but I was overlooking the pool. 8 a.m. to at least 2 or 3 p.m. a.m. So 8 a.m. round the clock to 2 or 3 a.m. They were pumping the music like crazy. I'm flat now, Woodchip. I'm flat. We took that 20 points there. Took out that low of that wick. And now it's bouncing again. So nice little cover there. And basically that was just a trend line break trade. That's all I was thinking. Y'all on to 18,500. Okay. Going for the big flush. So if you guys want to join the Discord, it's completely free. There's no catch or nothing. It's just a place for people to hang after hours. I'll put it in the chat. If you guys want to join up, it's completely free. It's a place that's got all the links, and so there it is in the chat there. Gold is pumping. Let's take a look at gold. It is pumping. It's taking back that big drop on the reopen at 6 p.m. That was quite the nosedive. Gold. Hey Dan, what cruise ship you going with? Which company? Just curious. And is this your first time ever going on a cruise? Does anyone have any recommendations? Royal, okay. Maybe I'm thinking like maybe out of Florida or something. And you like Royal, Dan? All right. Pretty sweet. You did a project on luxury cruises, Lo-Fi and Chill? Oh, nice. Oh, you did a Disney cruise. Oh, that must have been fun for the kids. Or was it just for you? Chill, oh. Yeah, not crazy party. Just chill, but I can still have a drink or two, you know? But yeah, not like spring break craziness. Explore, journey, and Seabourn, huh? Oh, you were 24 and had a blast in Disney? Nice. Royal all day. Oh, okay. Alright, bunch of votes for Royal. Alright. Noted. Noted. Might be my next vacation, I don't know. Just don't go on the cheap carnival ones. They're 20 years old and they want... Oh, they're all 20-year-olds and want to party for the weekend. Yeah, Amelia. Okay, thank you. Yeah, you know me, Amelia. Yeah, you can see it. Like, yeah, I like to have fun, but I like to go to bed too. It's like Vegas on the water. Yeah. Gotcha. All right. That's awesome. So I printed Discord, the link to the Discord, pinned it to the top of the chat. If anyone's interested in joining, then it's perfect. It's 100% free. All right, Zero. Thanks for the joining the Discord there. I'll just show the Discord here. This is while the market's kind of doing its thing. So yeah, we just have the main chat here. You know, we got some really good traders in here. I like to post updates of what I'm doing through my X or whatever, and show some pictures and things like that. There's a place to print P&L photos. Red, green, and everything in between, you know. You have a place to put a photo of yourself if you want. We had some people putting food pics, but I actually changed it. We got Nate down here, we got Dell, we got Chef Chris, haven't seen her in a while. I think this is Brian and myself. If you want to put a photo of yourself to let let everyone know you're a real person. I have the social media links. Terry Trades 100, her Twitter up here, her YouTube channel, and then my Twitter and YouTube channel, and the place for affiliate links, and I don't know what's going on there. Right, that link's not working. I don't know why. Oh, trading setups. Not many people there. And then put some food pics. If you guys kind of foodie like me, well, I'm more or less just like to eat. So if you want to put some food pics, things like that, we'll get those up there for fun. That's pretty much it. So if you guys want to join the Discord, feel free. It's 100% free, and it's just a place just trying to build a community. You know, trying to build our own community. I know everyone's coming from other channels and things like that, and I'm the rookie class, but yeah, appreciate you guys hanging out tonight. Get back to the chat here. Any advice on trading gold? I see the moves, but not as fast as NQ. So lo-fi and chill, when I trade gold, I'm looking for the same things pretty much. Inside bar breaks, like here, you know, that was a nice long off the inside bars. And I really like, this is Trades by Slade style, maybe he's listening. I do like trend line breaks on gold. So those are the things I look for when I trade gold, but I don't trade gold that often. But hope it helps. Norwegian cruises look really nice. Oh yeah. Markets are moving fast. Some equity index products are already down over 4%, and we're approaching levels where top step price limit rules would go in effect. Yes, Big Cat, we were talking about that earlier, actually. But yeah, thanks for bringing that up again, because Top Step does have limit down stuff. I'm not really sure. I don't know. I'm not really trading anything with them except Combine right now. So we want to ensure all traders fully aware of the contract specifications of product, especially when it comes to price limits. Getting stuck in a position when the market is locked. Limit up and down can put traders out of business, and we hope that you are aware of this. As a reminder, trading within the 2% of the price limit is prohibited at Top Step. Positions near these thresholds is considered high risk and is not allowed. The rule exists to protect both of you and the firm during the volatile market conditions. Thank you, Big Cat. But yes, you're absolutely right. So last time alright, you're sharing because the last time I missed a rule, I had to earn an extra 3,000 in a valuation account. Wow, Big Cat. So yeah, good point. So be aware of that, guys. For sure. So most of you guys, if you trade Top Step, you got an email, and it looks like that. I'll leave this up here for a minute while I read the chat. Dan, thanks to Big Cat. He posted in the chat too. They should at least alert people in the Discord. Yeah, they should. Alright, Donna. Good night. Thank you for joining. You left the Discord a long time ago, so you had no idea. Yeah, I got this email. I didn't actually look at it, but I got the email. Yeah, you're not allowed to trade, Chad, I guess, with Top Step limit down rule. So I got that up on the chat in case anyone wants to read it here. I'm going to take it off in just a minute. So that's for Top Step. Some other firms do have this rule too. I don't know which ones. But just be a little aware tomorrow to see what happens on the limit down. There's a big drop. So that way, you know, trading within the rules. You don't want to get caught in that. Yeah, TPT has the rule as well, exactly. Thank you, day trader. If anyone else knows any limit down rules for any of the other prop firms, go ahead and let me know in the chat or whatever. But yeah, TPT was one of the ones I had a feeling I had one. So when I have a TPT account that I'm going to take a payout on tonight. So yeah, we're up pretty good on this account here. So I'm going to take another payout on that 25K account. We took a $3,400 payout, I guess. Let's check my wallet in my account here. Yeah, $3,400 after the split came to $2,884. So here's the payouts. Oops. Lately, past 2 months, kind of been crushing it with the daily payouts. So not too bad. And we'll take another one tonight. And then I will draw it right to my bank account. Just like that, turns it into real money. My Funded Futures too, Amelia, thank you. My Funded Futures has a limit down rule, thank you. I got a coworker who's nearing retirement, no bullshit. Dude moved his 1.5 million out of the S&P at like 610 the week before it into the top. Oh wow, Big Cat, yeah. I don't think I caught the top, but I definitely pulled out mine. I am sitting flat in cash currently for the last month or so. Is TP better than Top Step in my opinion? Yes. I like TP. I like Take Profit Trader better than Top Step. It's more difficult, Chad. It is more difficult to get daily payouts, but once you start getting them, but forever, they were my kryptonite. Top Step, I would get payouts left and right. I could not get a payout with Take Profit Trader. Now it's the opposite. I can't seem to get a payout with Top Step lately. Yeah, Big Cat. Made just over 20 what did I say? 25K in 2 days net profit with the personal and Take Profit Trader. So yeah, kind of stepping it up, really pushing my winning days. That's the key. Winning trades as well, but the winning days, like I'm not settling for the $300 days and stuff. Like I'm trading heavily, you know, 1 to 3 minis on Take Profit Trader, and then, you know, if I get up $800 and I see another setup, like I'm taking it. I'm trying to like really build those winning days and having my winning days bigger than my losing days. And so I'm thinking bigger picture instead of like winning trades to losing trades, if that makes sense. Nice inside bar break there, pushing up 9/10s right back to the VWAP. But yeah, free humanity. I'll put it. Let me do this real quick. I'll explain in a second. Let me just so let's see. So free humanity. I put a link in the chat. I made a really quick, as fast as possible setup video. My strategy video. It's very brief and stuff I look for every day. So you want to check that out. I gotta look for inside bars, initial balance highs and lows, and harami candles, like this harami here. What I call a harami. Technically, an inside bar is a harami, but I just separate them. Like I take the long here off the harami, look to take out the high of this, but yeah, a little strat video if you guys want to check that out. I tried to make it fast and quick as possible. I even sped it up a little bit because I hate long drawn out strategy videos that some streamers put out, so I tried to be very quick. You like Homie Trader is the best? Dell, you're the best at Dell. You allergic to payouts on Top Step, Brandon? Yeah, I have been too lately. I got a pretty Acer, what's going on? I got a pretty straightforward question. What would be the benefit of copy trading instead of buying a larger plan? I'm not sure if you copy trade, but I'm just curious in general. So lately, Acer, I've been trading single accounts, and I've been trading larger. I do copy trade when I have funded accounts, but I copy trade in groups. So like if I have Apex, a bunch of Apex accounts funded, then I'll copy trade those groups. If I have a bunch of Bulanox accounts, I'll copy those groups and so on. I don't copy trade everything at once. But the advantage is when you're copy trading multiple accounts, a lot of people, what they do is they size down to micros. So let's say you normally trade 5 minis or whatever. Well, if you're trading like 20 accounts with 1 mini, so smaller size, then you know those small wins really add up. So that's the advantage. Lately, personally, I've been trading bigger size on single accounts. I haven't been copy trading as much. My largest single payout ever for one payout was copy trading multiple accounts with micros. That's my largest single payout. Now my most profitable month has been single accounts, larger size, things like that. But yeah, I got an $18,000 payout trading multiple 25K accounts using micros. So I hope that helps. Corey, the phone trader, what's going on? Almost to 1,000 subs. I know, it's crazy, isn't it? Yeah, we had like over 130 people watching tonight at one point. We peaked at 136 was our peak. And I believe we broke the like record too. We had 82 likes from what I can see. And I think our record was like 79, so appreciate the likes, guys. It actually really helps out the channel a lot. Alright, cool, Acer. Appreciate the... Yes, it's a bit easy to manage risk, for sure. Not financial advice, Acer, but like a good way to do it. If you're gonna build up accounts, say you start with Apex. Start with 1 or 2 accounts, get those to pay out, add more accounts to it, get those to pay out, maybe add a few more, get those to pay out, and then you're just building up. A good way to do that is with Bulanox, because they only allow you 3 master accounts at once, but you can have a bunch of past evaluations waiting on deck, and I'll show you. Show you right here. And then once you get 1 account past the buffer, the profit buffer, the trailing buffer, then you can add another account, and you can have up to 11 and copy trade them. I'll show you on my dashboard right here. So I have 3 master accounts going on Bulanox right now, so those are 3 funded accounts, and I also have 3 that are already passed down here, just waiting. So if I get these past the threshold on the 50K, which don't quote me, I don't really know what it is. I think it's 2,000 something. Someone in the chat probably knows. Then I can activate the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and so on, and you can have up to 11. So that's a good way of like not going all in with like trying to pass like 20 accounts or something like that. You can just kind of start slow and then build as you go. So if you guys are interested in Bulanox, you can use my affiliate code to help out my channel. Use code PINE, currently 75% off on option 1s and 2s. Well, that sales pitch, huh, guys? That's pretty good, huh? Getting good at that. But no, I do use Bulanox, so a great company. I've been allergic to payouts in general. I've only been close to that TPT and blew that pro account immediately. Yeah, it's tough, man. You get past that trailing buffer. Yeah. Apex 71% off, Carlos, right? 71% off Apex. Use code PINE. Appreciate the support, guys. This is what keeps me on stream. Hanging out with you guys. You guys using my codes. Yeah, it's essentially sending me a tip saying, because I don't get paid from YouTube. YouTube doesn't pay me anything, so. I haven't even figured out how to get the money out that you guys did tip me. For the super chats, it's just sitting there. I have no idea how to get it out. I only had 1/3 of sidelines, had a few levels marked out, and then putting in some money back. 540 on my next 2 ad points. I've got 20 years until retirement. Oh, nice. Yeah, you gotta start saving as much as you can, Big Cat, for sure. Hey, you just passed another combine? Nice. I'm gonna call you 96. Alright, buddy? I'll call you 96. Oh yeah, thanks, Free Humanity. Oh, you look for this circuit breaker rule. Oh, okay, Carlos. Hey, I don't think they do. Neither does Bulanox. It's actually, hey, Discipline Trader, what's going on? That's actually awesome. The scalability, the profitability trading is really cool. Working on my first payout, really solid ideas. Appreciate that a ton. Oh yeah, no problem, Acer. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing, is I've got a fair amount of experience in the prop game. I've been trading since, in case you guys are wondering, I started trading props in 2021. And yeah, now this is all I do, full time. My sources of income are payouts, personal account, and a little bit of affiliate money that you guys, by using my codes on Buellanox and Apex. I don't have my own Take Profit Trader code. I don't have a My Funded Future code. So it's just Buellanox and Apex, and so I make a little bit from that, and that's it. No, you don't, Cincilla. You do not pay monthly fees on pending accounts. They just sit there, waiting to be activated. Hey, Bill Peterson. Thanks for the sub, by the way. New to the channel. So all I have for indicators are these inside bars. Just paints them. LDT, inside outside bars. I have the inside bars painted. I have the VWAP, which is here. It's on a 5-minute chart. And I have the initial balance high and low. And I've had the initial balance high and low during the New York session. And then this is the high and low of the current session here. But during the New York session, I put the initial balance high and low. That's it. Oh, and volume. I have volume down here, which I don't even really look at most of the time, so. Pat doesn't even say my name. 96, yeah. Gold did not take out the highs, probably a decent R&R short. Oh, and gold design, yeah. Yeah, nice push down there. Nice little trend line, like kind of what I was saying, like that little channel break. It's obviously in the hindsight. But I like when gold kind of breaks these channels. And then, you know, this one was nice. You get a nice channel, inside bar, take the inside bar break, had a nice little flush there. So these inside bars work pretty good on gold too. On the 5-minute. How do I get out of drawdown? So yeah, especially on Take Profit Trader, guys, I reset some accounts occasionally. It's worth it to me if the market conditions are right, because I can usually get to a payout on day one on Take Profit Trader. That's what I do. This account I reset once, and what am I gonna get? I reset it for like $450, and I'm gonna get I probably made like 4,500 in it so far, so the account doesn't owe me anything, even at $450 reset. So, but I do trade them pretty aggressively. So anyways, my point was is I try to get past the trailing drawdown, which is $1,500, and it's intraday trailing. But $1,500 with 3 minis, 1 to 3 minis, you can get that pretty quickly if you catch the right trade. So that's kind of what I do. And that's why, believe it or not, guys, all my big payouts with Take Profit Trader have been with 25K accounts. Because I get past that $1,500 is like very quickly, and then it turns static after that. So it's, for me, it's harder to get past like a, you know, $2,000 buffer or a $3,000 trailing drawdown buffer. You know, you just got to make more money. Of course, you got more drawdown, so you don't have much drawdown with the $1,500. Like if you're in 3 minis to start that account and you go down, if you're wrong on that trade, you can blow that account really quickly. But I'm confident in my abilities to be able to get to a payout on day one on those accounts. So if I just wait for the proper setup, like something like that inside bar, you know, that's a $2,000-$3,000 trade right there. Bang. Maybe more. So anyways, that's what I do. But yeah, you're right, Dell. So if you want to trade responsibly, Dell, You can only use 1 micro per 5,000 of account. For example, 25K is 5 micros, 50K is 10 micros. But yeah. Bill Peterson, yeah, I mainly trade NQ and YM. You'll see me trading YM in the morning a lot. Oh yeah, you talking yeah. Hey Zabak, what's going on? What's the inside bar? These yellow bars. They're inside the previous candle. Yeah. Thank you, Lo-Fi and Chill. I literally, the inside bar strat just kind of came to me by, just by mistake, trial and error or whatever. I, like most of you, when I was new, I was just going through the community indicators and just putting on indicators, just looking for something that made sense. And I was trading 5-minute charts, and then I popped in these inside bars, and I go, wow. But look at these breaks off these inside bars, and I just noticed from observation, so I just started trading them. And then I ended up finding another YouTuber, Trader Rob, on YouTube. I had been trading him for like over a year or so. And I found Trader Rob trading inside bars too on YouTube, and I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. I found someone that actually trades like me. So yeah, on the 5-minute bars. Hey Vince, did I like In-N-Out Burger? I did, Vince. Vince, the very first thing I did when I got off the airplane is that I took an Uber right to In-N-Out Burger. I got off the airplane in Vegas and went right to In-N-Out. And got a double animal style. Because that's what I was told to get. So I got double animal style. Ben, I watched some of your videos and you mentioned Tom Hugard. Yes. What do you think about his mechanical strategies? I love him. 945 aggressive school run on the YM. I trade it all the time. I have my own version of it. My own version is I wait for an 8:30 news candle. So my time, Eastern time. So if we have a news candle in the morning, like, let's go back. So something like this. So like last Friday, so we had 8:30 news before the market opens, and we had nothing. We did have that 10 o'clock news, but I usually wait for there's no other news after the 9:45 candle, and then I traded on the YM. I've done years worth of back testing on NQ 9:45 5-minute candle. I have stacks and stacks of paperwork. I love mechanical strategies. But yeah. So yeah, so I look for the 9:45 candle after the 8:30 news. And yeah, I trade it. It's aggressive school run. This was a beautiful one right here, Ben. Look at this 9:45 candle here. Break of that. That thing ran. That thing ran 935 points for max profit. But yeah, you'll see me trading that in the morning sometimes, guys. I'll trade that. But yeah, Tom's my guy, my guru. Gold's pushing down. NASDAQ looks like it wants to try to fill that gap now. Does it get up into this gap? Trying to find balance between mechanical and discretion. Yes, Ben. I like the way you think there. I like the way you're thinking. I've been thinking about this a lot too with Buellanox accounts and things like that. Buellanox is my kryptonite. I don't know if it's the platform because of the Project X or what, but yeah. So I'm thinking about dedicating a few accounts to certain mechanical strategies, Ben, and just leaving them. I've tried this in the past. I did not have the discipline to stick with it on those few accounts. Some of you guys know that I was trading inside bar gold strategy, or was it oil? I don't even remember. On one account, on the Apex static account, and I had that puppy built up to like $2,500 on a static account, funded account. And then I ended up going off the rails one day with discretion and ended up blowing it. So I want to get back into doing some of that with some dedicated accounts. I traded the 945 bar YM strategy on my version last year, and I nabbed 4,500 points out of the YM, something like that, for the year. It was like 4,500. I'm looking right now. 41,083 points. Not 41,000. 4,183 points. 41,000, I wouldn't be here. I'd be sitting in some beachfront property mansion or something. 4,100 points. Basically just setting that bracket and then just letting it do its thing. So Big Cat, so you elaborate more on the 945 candle. You just trade a break of it on days when news happens, 8:30. You only trade 945 as a reversal candle on news day. Nope, I take it with no discretion, and I trade it on news days. I haven't been trading it lately, but yeah, for last year, that's what I was doing. So 8:30 Eastern news candle, no other news after. So I think you get a little more volatility for that day, and then I just take the break of the 945 candle. So 2 ticks above or 2 ticks below the 945 5-minute candle, and then I look for generally like a 30 point stop, and then like I look for like 100 to 130 points profit. Not a static stop. I placed a stop below that 945 candle or above. So whatever the opposite end is. Just kind of get my NQ strats mixed up, but yes, Amelia, yeah. Ben, you speaking my language, man. So yeah, mechanical can be hard if you have a few consecutive losses to then not try to chase it later in the day. Just wait for the next trading day to follow the process. Ben, 100% on point. Dude, this is exactly it. So when you're trading purely mechanical strats like I'm planning on doing again with certain accounts, the hardest thing is walking away when it's a red day, because you can have 4 or 5 red days in a row, but you know by the end of the month, the end of the year, whatever, it's going to be profitable through all your back testing and things like that. But yeah, it is so difficult to walk away on those days. And with prop firms, it's a little more difficult too, because if you have 4 or 5 consecutive days of losses in a row, if you're trading too heavily, then that trailing drawdown will get you, because you don't have that much drawdown, you know. Obviously with a static account or something like that, it'll work better, but yeah, went out for pizza. What did I miss, Trev? Ah, nothing. Yeah, market's dead tonight. It's dead. Hey Newts, what's going on, buddy? Pulling 0-day J numbers. Not quite, but yeah. Nice night tonight. Appreciate the support, guys. Risk reward, decide your profit, not win or loss ratio. Yeah, for sure. Absolutely. So a little recap tonight. So we're up $1,506 on this eval. We traded that. We're up $706 on the personal. $720 up on the personal. We made $10,820 on the personal today. Yesterday we made $10,200 on the personal account for the day. So up over $20,000 on the personal account, and we got another take profit trader payout coming tonight. We just took out, well, total $2,800 yesterday on take profit trader, and we're going to take out another payout tonight as soon as it updates. And I did hit DLL on Bulanox funded accounts earlier this morning on stream, but I passed 2 more Bulanox accounts. So yeah, Amelia. Kind of crazy. Let's keep it going, right? Try not to let it get to my head, and I'm just going to keep it going. So for the year, on the personal, we're up $57,895 plus this $10,185 plus the $720. Which could change because that's just today, so we'll be trading that tomorrow too. So this could go up or down, but so yeah, so right around I don't know, 67,000, 68,000 locked in for the year for the personal account. So yeah, pretty happy about that. And we are crushing the take profit trader payouts, and haven't been doing so well with Apex and Bulanox and my funded futures lately, but that's okay. Oh, and I also got a Tradeify. A couple Tradeify payouts last month too, so Pine about sell. Yes, buy my course, $199. But if you buy it today, I'll sell it to you for $80. Buy it today. Done that for the people. I was trading conservative now, and I'm an aggressive trader. I've been having this funded TPT at break even for almost 2 weeks, man. I gotta mash the gas. Yeah, Corey. So that's what I've been doing. Is I've just been smashing that the intraday trailing as fast as possible. Like I said earlier, I did reset this particular account once for like what, $450 or something like that. But then I've gotten like $4,000 something in payouts with it so far. So it's paid for itself and then some. So now it's just house money. And but yeah, I tried to get past that $1,500 like as fast as possible, like almost on one trade. So like I'll add 1 contract, 2 contracts, up to 3 contracts, really push that trade. And with this market volatility, you know, you can catch one of those nice moves and make $2,000-$3,000. Like the other day, I think, what was it? I was up $5,000 on that account. Yeah, it was just with three minis, you know. We pushing that gap? We are. Pushing that opening gap there. Yes, Truff, if your winning days are 500 and your losing days are 100, you break even for the week with one trade. Yes. Yes. That's another thing. Is like I've been really trying to push my winning days, not so much my winning trades. And like I was saying earlier, is like if I'm up on the day and I'm really feeling it, like I step on the gas. Like I don't hit that lockout button because I'm up $200 on the Top Step X, like they want you to do. It's like no, if I'm up on the day and I'm feeling it, like I'm pushing it. You know, I want to make 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000 that day. You know. What happens was what I was doing, and I was profitable at doing this. It just wasn't where I wanted to be. Is I was making $200-300 a day, and then calling it on the day. So you make, you know, and some traders can do this. Especially when you're copy trading 20 accounts. Awesome strategy, you know, you can do it. But lately, I've just been taking those one accounts and stuff and just really pushing them, like hard, like stepping on that gas. You know, a lot of people pump the brakes when they're winning. Like I want to push on the gas when I'm winning. If that makes sense. So that's what I've been doing lately. It's been working. Trying not to let it get in my head. I'm just gonna keep trying to do what I'm doing, and yeah, it's been working out. I could buy Greenland. Yeah. Thank you, 60-hour trader. Appreciate the support. So done that for people. Time for me to head off to sleep. All right, Ben. Oh, you're in UK. Nice. Thanks for joining us. Getting ready to trade London. So if you guys want to trade London with Newts McBoots in the trade, Newts McBoots, he's in the chat right now. He trades London session. If you guys want to join his stream, check out Newts McBoots. All right, thanks, Ben. What about the Christmas special? Yeah, maybe at Christmas I'll make a course. Are you bailing out? Might switch back to New York, Newts? Yeah, it's tough, man, getting up that early. It's tough getting up that early. Oscar, I don't know, but if you check out Trader Rob, I think they have inside bar indicator. I'll just pull it up real quick. I know he talks about it. I've never used NinjaTrader in my life. So Trader Rob. This guy here, he trades off NinjaTrader and uses some sort of inside bar indicator. So you might be able to find it through his stuff. Hope that helps. My stream earlier, like 5 a.m. Central Time. Yeah, that's a good, probably pretty open Newts that early. Mikey Trades, what's going on? Oh, appreciate you, Lo-Fi and Chill. Take it easy, man. Alright, so what's NQ doing? It's trying to fill that gap there. About a 60-point gap, I think we found out. We discussed earlier. Yeah, 65 points. Trying to fill it. Some nice action tonight. See if Take Profit Trader has updated the dashboard. I doubt it. Take Profit Trader has been a little slow about updating their dashboard at night. Yep. Still hasn't updated. And you see my Take Profit Trader daily journal yesterday. $5,105. Traded 25 contracts, 20 trades. idea what I did. Hey, Oscar Rhodes, thank you for gifting. Oh, we got Trev a gifted membership. Nice. Appreciate the membership gift there. Appreciate you. Tomorrow is the 5th day for TPT Scalp 1 Micro. I'll probably get pro account Monday. Oh, nice. Yeah, I have 150K I gotta work on. Take Profit Trader. Right here. I got a big dog to work on. See what kind of damage we can do with that. Don't know. Yeah, I was hanging out a little bit later, Alfred. I noticed Stock Tiger wasn't on. Yeah, usually, guys, I trade. Okay, I usually stream from 6 to 8 p.m. and then I trade in the mornings too, most mornings. And then I generally take Fridays off to trade myself because, let's face it, like, you know, I trade to make money for myself. So I usually take Fridays off for myself, but I'm getting the Wheel of Death. So this might be my cue. Oh, is it bog My Funded Futures? Yeah, so My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, guys. Top Step are just a few that has the limit down rule. So just be careful with that. Alright, Amelia, yeah, I think I'm losing my internet or something, guys. I'm gonna call it there. Use code PINE, Buellanox and Apex. Appreciate the support, guys. Those are my only 2 codes, really. Terry Trades 100 if you guys are using Take Profit Trader, and My Funded Futures. Use code MM for my Methodical Man. But yeah, and Tradeify, you have to use my link and the default code, which is Spring, if you want to help my channel. You know, if you want me to get some affiliate credit for that, appreciate it for Tradeify. As soon as I get 1,000 sales or whatever, I can try to get a Tradeify custom code and make it much easier. But yeah, use my code PINE, Apex, and Buellanox, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I think my stream is buffering, so because I'm getting the Wheel of Death too. Appreciate you guys hanging out. What an awesome stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow.